Stepping into Vedavalli's Madapalli felt like walking into a heritage South Indian home. It was calm, rooted, and felt very nostalgic. A place that serves traditional temple style food cooked with no onions or garlic. I had varatandi soup, followed by stuffed miragai bhaji and pukosu manga pachadi, which added the sweet tangy balance before warm puri with sagu that was irresistible. Then came the highlights soft sambar button idli, open bene puri dosa, followed by akara vadisal and rose milk for dessert. It was old school food done exactly right. I also visited the House of Kavyam, which is a cultural boutique with traditional Kanchipuram silks, handcrafted and artisanal jewelry all under one roof. So do visit them.